guys, so this is like my room here in Bogota. Ang ingay na upuan ko. I'm currently in, where am I? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako, di ba? I'm currently in Colombia. So this is my little quaint room. Alam niyo yan, makikita niyo yan sa review ko. But this is another way of booking for Cathay Pacific award flights because I have a trip that I need to go to in China, in Beijing. So parang sabi ko, naisip ko, gusto ko kasi mataksak yan yung Aria Suites nila. And yung Aria Suites nila is basically the new business class product, premium economy and economy products ni Cathay Pacific. And sabi ko nga, I wanted to try this out. I wanted to see kung ano ba to kasi parang maganda siya. Kasi new seats talaga siya and maganda talaga yung pagkagagawa nila ng mga seats niyan. So sabi ko, I want to try it out. And sakto, I have award tickets or I have miles na pwede kong i-book yung award tickets, then I can just book economy flights papunta sa China kasi medyo paid naman yung flight. So sabi ko, why not? Try ko nga. And of course, sama-sama tayo. I would book this again with you dahil yung previous video ko, baka may cuts yun, yung papuntang, yung Auckland pa uwi ng Manila. So I'll do this from Hong Kong naman to Beijing. So guys, you can look at different routes. This also shows you na may iibang routes na pwede mong i-book rin if ever you're looking for just a specific leg and whenever you need it. And what I love about it is, a lot of the times, makakahanap ka ng flights. So, without further ado, alam naman natin yan. I'll share with you this video and makita nyo naman to. First and foremost, you have to be in the Cathay Pacific website and you need to sign in with your Cathay member account. So, if you don't have your Cathay member account, guys, hindi po pwede. You have to create one. It's free kasi dapat dun yung mga miles mo. So, dapat na-transfer mo yung miles mo from your credit card to your Cathay account. Now, if ever you're going to look at it, saan ka po maglalagay ng mga accounts mo or paano mo ilalagay yung credit card points mo to your Cathay account, I have all of those videos dito sa YouTube na rin naman para sa inyo yan. Okay, without further ado, nakapag-sign up or sign in na ako. And then, when I'm going to sign in, dito sa book a trip, click on redeem flights. Now, yung kailangan ko na isang leg lang is yung Hong Kong leg papunta sa Beijing, which is PEC. And then one way siya, and then business yung gusto ko, and then gusto ko on the 23rd siya. Kasi yun yung kailangan kong puntahan. And makita mo dito, miles per passenger, roughly nasa 28,000 miles per way siya. And one way lang naman yung kailangan kong ticket dito. Click on redeem flights. So guys, it will take roughly around 28,000 from my total miles or my mileage points. Not bad, pwede na at the very least, di ba? Parang tax lang naman yung babayaran ko dito. So sabi ko, sige na, pwede na rin naman. So, okay, nagsasearch siya. Paubaya ang aking internet dito sa kwarto. Paminsan may slow siya, pero at least naman, gumagana. Carry pa naman tayo dyan. By the way, I'm using a VPN, kaya baka nagkakaroon ako ng ganyan. Whenever I travel abroad, guys, I want to share this with you. I do use a VPN. VPN for me is very, very important. The reason is, at the very least, kahit anong mangyari, protected ako. Kasi I want to be, number one, located in the Philippines whenever I browse. Kasi home country ko yan. Number two, I want my data to be protected as well. And if anyone asks, I use Surfshark as my VPN provider. Okay, so now here's the Sunday, 23, and then business. Now, if you're going to look at here, maraming mga different flight options dito. Yung mga flight options na to, you can look at all of the details na nandito. And when you click on the flight details, for example, kung 9 o'clock na to, makita mo dito, okay, ito. CX386-777-300ER siya. Yun yung mga aircraft na yan. I know that the Aria Suites, kasi nung check ko siya, hindi mo siya makikita dito kung ano yung seats mo dito. Yun lang yung thing dito when you're booking through points na, but makikita mo siya if you book your normal flights. Diba, later papakita ko sa inyo yung paano mas makikita. But I know yung Aria Suites na class ng aircraft is nandito sa CX332 na airplane nila. So just to double confirm, para mapakita ko rin sa inyo yan. Ito siya. So, any moment now. Okay, book flights. Leaving from HKG to PEC, diba? And then one way, and then select C, business, click on done, and then departure date is the 23rd, and then done, and then search flights tayo. And then, yan, discover the Aria Suite in our all new business class. Yun yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Ito yun eh. So, loading flight results. Perfect, ayan. Di ba, I know that the 332, if you click on view details, Then you click on the Boeing 777-300ER, magpa-pop up siya and ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung plane na yan. Now, the 777-300ER, guys, dapat makita mo dito 777-377J. Yung J kasi yung kanyang Aria Suite. So, naglo-load lang siya. Right now, if you see, naka-K siya, pero magsiswitch siya to the J. So, the J, pag mag-load to, nakasunod dito, Business Aria Suites, Premium. So, that's how you know. That's why sabi ko, the 332 is it. Diba? Yung 332 na 12 o'clock, tas 3:30 darating. So, babalik tayo, the 12 o'clock, 332, double check, 15:30, darating sa Shanghai from Hong Kong to Beijing. Click on that and then wait for the availability. And then yan, 28,000 miles siya plus 510 Hong Kong dollar, which is around roughly 3,000 plus pesos. Diba? So 3,000 pesos, that's kung binili mo yun, diba? 7,500 Hong Kong dollars yun, which is like magkano? 40,000 roughly, diba? So, here are everything that you see. Double check mo lang. 23, check. 12 o'clock, check. 3:30 darating. Okay, standard. 28,000 miles, 165 yung tax niya. Plus, meron kasi siyang other charges na 345. Kaya siya 510. And then, if everything is right, okay ka sa lahat na yan, then you click on next. And then, may tama ba lahat ng mga details ko? Everything. Okay? So, put in your account. Kung may Cathay ka, Cathay. Kung Jal gusto mo lagay, Jal lagay mo. Whichever, basta One World Alliance. And then click on next. If you're asking guys, so, ito yung mga little things ko na ginagawa ko na parang, okay, if ever may gusto akong gawin or may work trip ako, tapos pwede kong i-adjust, like I can fly a day just to ride the plane, go. Kasi wala din ako other options. I mean, di ba parang, maganda rin na, I hope na appreciate nyo yung ganitong content. Kasi guys, I really want everyone to experience na use your points for these things if gusto mo. But, syempre, kanya-kanya naman yan. Pag ano yung mas trip nyo sa buhay, go with it. Personally, I always recommend if ever pwede nyo gawin to. Why not, diba? Kasi masaya rin. Masaya naman talaga if makapag-business class tayo na libre, diba? So, yun lang naman yung reco ko if ever gusto nyo po. I hope na-enjoy nyo. So, yun. Okay, so I wanna get the window seats kasi okay yan. So, I'll get 20 if ever pwede naman to. And then I'll click on next kasi you have your seats. Okay. Nandito na siya. So, check your itinerary. Tama ba siya lahat? The flight, 632, 20A. Nandiyan naman, meal included. Ayun, pieces of bags mo. May cabin ka na 10 kilo. And then sa business class seats, everything details mo. Tama ba lahat? Check everything. Tama ba? Tama ba? And then, tsaka ka maglagay ng iyong card number. Previously, I already have my credit card here. So, pasok ko na lang lahat ng previous details ko. If wala, just add a new payment method inside. And then double check ko lang details. Guys, syempre naka-block to. I would pay in HKD pa rin para at least double points natin. If everything is okay, click on redeem now. And then magpo-process yung buong payment mo. So guys, pag tinanong nyo bakit nakasave yung mga credit cards ko dyan, because if you usually fly, you usually book, nandiyan na siya sa loob. It's easier. Lock card naman. Lock card feature is always there, so you can always lock. But syempre, kung hindi naman kayo frequent traveler, I would recommend don't put your card inside na lang. You can just enter it every time. Unless lagi ka nga mag-travel, go. Lagay mo. Okay, and then I'll just show you. Nandito na po yung booking na yan. I'm just retrieving the booking. You'll see it here. Ano na? Okay, perfect. So you'll see it here. Manage booking. Nandito siya lahat. Okay. So, nandiyan na yung flight. Nandiyan lahat ang details mo. I got the seat. I got the meals. Diba? Everything's here. You can even select for in-flight meals if ever. May mga standard meals yan, may mga low-calorie, may mga hindi meal, whatever you might want to choose. Pwede mo nang i-choose rin yan during your flight. You can select your seats or you can change your seats if you want to, yung kanina nating pinili. Everything's here. Then, before I check in, I will just add my travel documents. And that's how it is, guys. So, di ba? roughly. And by the way, you will not earn points, you will not earn Asia Miles rin when you fly and when you redeem these mga points. And that's it. That's how you book your flight. I have the tickets na. Lahat ng mga details nandito na. So guys, ganun lang siya kasimple. Medyo tumagal lang tayo pero ganun lang siya. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you like and enjoy these kinds of video. And guys, let me know ano pa yung gusto mo yung makita. Syempre, more and more of these parang tipid travel hacks na you can enjoy these little luxuries kasi natutuwa ako pag na-enjoy nyo rin. And if nakabook rin kayo with your points, comment it down below kasi gusto ko talaga siya malaman. I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!